Thank you. The program is over. We are coming back for the reception of the funeral ceremony begins anymore. We are looking forward to seeing Ozougwu family and the God bless you. I make an ending. solid guy. Thank you for the meeting. Because now, but a child that table again, a child that you cannot pick up. I won't know what a group is because I will know if I do it, I can be general. You know? I think I actually hear Melo last time, and so I was doing MC, and so somebody waited, the Lord chair, every very name. So now you went out, you know, 190. Up to now, we try to make it. So I didn't believe that because go to around, we talk so many, all the politicians. Unless, so, I
Jeez. Sorry. I'm live streaming. How much will you pay me for going viral?
Yes. I went again. Justice Angela and the Tonight, information. I know some law. Yes. I went again. Also, another. Those are the Manokan I know. I went there especially all the members of Ukana Awareness led by the president, Emeka Ife-Jema, is our president. He's already here. I went the former chairman of Amaku Development Union, Mr. Emma Ife-Jema. I went the panel. So that's why I went Any moment from now, my great mentor, Engineer Enugu Chairman. The chairman of the capital, the president of Mr. Felix here, the first president of Ukana Awareness Forum, Mr. Chris. I like the Mr. Yo. We have about 3 or 4 MCs here, and we are going to work in pari passu. We're going to work together. My brother is here. I'm here. I want to introduce him. It's all about my brother. Come and say.
Yes. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We are actually here to bury Mr. Amandianaeze Oliver Ozougwu. Amandianaeze Oliver Ozougwu again. Those women in that place, if you don't have election, you win the treasurer. Some bandu can and in the Ega, they go. Yes, some people see number of Brahman and Akaman, no, we are Kana. And I will quickly stand on already existing protocol to welcome everybody here at Ukana Chineke na Chieze. Mekanasi na Chineke Bonebe, Ona Diabo, Abana Lichet. Asi atikore no Jesu, asi na Nandwe Bebe, Abono Nebekana Point Yaka. Yes, man, also never. Bona bro, Aduda Kamozo, Abona here to Taraba. Emano Fuho. Hakume Guasina, Baberano, Dahum de Benana. Asi Harry Bay, Amatinia Londo Haka. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna come back again. I can unbido, Nasana Bonano. Because I need to at the Aquaman and none of the MCs anywhere. Here to be another fun. Yeah, man, I know Cindy Boss who and you can have it done. Now they're easy, but God will definitely console you guys. Yes, Barrister Mark, yes, of INT PRO, Afro-Gisa. Okay, mother, you really got your book, and I'm at my agency. And I can be focused on okay, but you come on my agency. Yeah, because the biggie, I can open a microphone at that. DJ Dalarian maybe sharp. DJ so some get with you when Ijengwa, him and it okay. Ijengwa, he gonna over there. Me. I can name on. Ladies and gentlemen, sit, relax, and enjoy. Yes, in this Toba set, 94 set, I know for going. Dalono, in the Peaceland community. I know Siro Dalo, I know Flakuno. Since Abalinya. Ntuba Buya, Ukana. Afugogi. Good afternoon, sir. A golden fish has no hiding place. Yes, every couple need to be talking like a gem can ever in order.
Exclusive at Thank you. going on, if you name on the text, like your own name and follow on that side. If you side and then not follow this side. This is tent, it mustn't be there. If your name is not found, that please come towards this side and check your name. Salute International. All right. I know the matter of your body knows a person. Okay, okay. In a new again. As a synergy. I'm going to find a canon. As soon as I get work, North Anambra State. Follow. I told you when I'm ushering people in, my brother in Canada, my brother needs to forgive, my brother needs to forgive, my brother needs to forgive. Then I go and shouldn't have to welcome to Ukana. Thank you for coming all the way from Oka City down to Ukana. Oh yes, okay, I'm on the TV, it's real live. This funeral is a live funeral on the air. If you have the link, you'll be seeing us on your phone. You'll be seeing whatever we are doing here today. All those in our crowd, we are watching us now as we are celebrating our brother's death. Amandianaeze who lived 50 years on earth and fulfilled his mission on earth and thank the Lord and saying that the Sana in the highest. I've been entering the NC Doctor also now, the live. There's a back I think a working there. Then you got treasurer. Then I say I need to back. You got the boss for the little now you don't lie when you know. You look at checking when I'm a telegram. Please, no one I'm a telegram before. Yes, I need an international on the national financial preacher. Anywhere you go in the Taliban, I know Kennedy, honorable council of freedom of the world, all of your life, all the high chiefs here present, to recognize your coming. We appreciate your coming. All the high chiefs, all the ancestors, and all the good chiefs, all the answers, we appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you for coming. Thank you for being here. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your contribution. Thank you for your effort. Thank you also for your prayers. Don't forget that I'm on the TV's here live and direct view and seeing what is going on. I can be a matter again. And maybe pray the Honorable Ozougwu, the Speaker of Enugu State, is also here live. We also expecting that the Excellency will be also. I can also go to Ukana. Yes, I'm not sure the baby. I know where you're man. I know the Papa. I know the Papa.
All right, I know another Sunday. EGB class, Peaceland, how happy you never. Hello, equal yellow one. Thank you. And God bless you, DJ. Haji, one can of malt and an envelope of cash were there. Dalono, Chungo Bazuna, Anya Balono. Also, Anya Bidogo Balco, Zubo, or one in the chair. I am number honorable Ifama Zuke is here. I am number on the yard. Yana Kizitoki, Yaneba, Haji envelope, Webia, Dalono, Oga Balono, Nea de Dalono, Chubugazuno. Make yourself comfortable in any tent. Any tent, make yourself comfortable. Come there to serve you very, very well. Dalono, Ani Ignorant. Ani bidogo afọ ozigbo ihe anyị nọkịta bụ ịkwa akwa ka anyị si eme na be anyị mana ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ ịbịa akwa you can also join. Ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ ịbịa na tebụl ya kene ndị Ozougwu, you are free to come, very, very free to come. Yes.
Stocky. On you put that here. Huh? Mom. Stocky.
Oh yes.
What am I going to do? When
It's Joe Obwana, the founder and Papa. Hello. Anyị bidogo mbụ anyị kwuru ka a na-eme anyị bidogo ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ ịbịa na tebụl we are set biko ndị committee next Mr. Charlie and Ibense to 1,000. Yes, us and Ibense 1,000 naira. Ihe anyị nọkịta bụ ịpụ akwa na ọ bụrụ na ị mara ka esi eme. By the side of this, the back of this school, ndị unu ejepụta nne unu ozugbo. Ihe anyị nọkịta bụ ịpụ akwa ndị amakpụ bịa na enu ya n'ọnụnụ. Ndị abọbịa kwụ na afụ ka esi apụ akwa. Anyị ji ọ bụrụ ezi. Onye abụ ndị amakpụ bịa na enu ya n'ọnụ ozugbo. Ịtụkwasị akwa ka na-aga n'ihu. Ndị ada atụkwasị na-apa. Valentine Nnamani 1,000 naira. Ọ dị ka amụrụ gị mbọchị Valentine sa. Yes. Maka na ndị izizi afụrụ mbọchị izizi aeroplane fe na Delta State. Ụmụaka niile amụrụ mbọchị ahịa na-akpọ aeroplane. Yes. Chief Sir Chinedu Ani. Anyị ahụgo gị sa. Anyị ka na-apụ akwa dịka omenala anyị si dị. Because we must encourage our cultural values. And this is exactly why we are trying to continue with it here.
Yes. I'll get you the eight of wagon several like enough from the Galapegi. If we cannot from the water. Mr. Chicken Ukeja, 5 Mr. Chicken Mr. Chicken Ukeja, 5,000 a papa. Yes. I number 10. I'm going to even talk at one for the mayor secret bad collection. Is also allowed. The from Oka, I number 10 and also put Oka. You're welcome. Our in-laws from Oka, Namu, and Namu, and that. You're welcome.
Hero. Henneken. Hero. Live. Stout.
You know, another was in the working from Oka. Yes, I know soon enough. And one of the new microphone idea recess. And it's the Gaza. Yes. Or Mogutabeni. Chief, I know, second now, sir. Yes. And you know, send your gun in. In and one now. You know, send your gun in hand now.
Ukana ekele mulu. I know if you would not consider your guy. I was tired, yeah. I salute you. Again, because he goes to wedding. One night, one he goes to Amaka. We also all my people that I do. So I
Dalon and Yogo, High Chief Onsen, Ono Unanando,
I did the sum of 100,000. I put my board. It can name one. Kachire can have a damn and I'm going to have Jesus.
Dalon, Chobozono, thank you and God bless you.
I can go and Uncle.
o nwere ihe ndị be anyị na-esi enwe si na ọcha narị ya mebu na ọ bụrụ na ụtụ achago ndị be anyị ekele papa ama m nọọ mkpụrụ mmeki is always there with us biko ụlọ na ụlọ ekele enyi anyị otu si bịa biko anyị na-ga appreciate bụ ụlọ ga-anakwa chukwu ga-ebu n'elu n'udo na-enwere nsogbu ọbụla biko daalụ daalụ. Thank you. Anyị n'ọbụla iji bịa akwamozu anyị gwara ya bịaba ebe a nụnwa ndị MCs nọ bụ ebe awọ marketing office nọ. Mr. Joe Bakamo 1,000 naira Oja Papa. Anyị na-anabata ndị bọọlụ Amadike na-azị aha nnọọ. Mr. Abokwa, the 5,000 naira. Or Amadike family, anyị na-asị unu nnọọ. Anyị chọrọ ịkpọ Udi Ozougwu Mr. ebe ndị MCs nọ. Yes. Ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ ịbịakwa ozugbo yes. Ndị ama ofesi Enebechi anyị na-asị gị nnọọ. Anyị na-anabata ndị University of Nigeria Nsukka Enugu campus ndị steeti a ma ndị ọha bụ ndị nọ n'ihu anyị na-asị unu nnọọ. The classmates here. Gotta go to our I got nice to show our support or reflecting our house. It's quite unfortunate so I am saying for my and so forth. Abo Nande, your neck up. I got number 10. Chief, High Chief, Okobo Patrick, Namafia, Niga Nabataketa, I can be unique. They said, and the Chukuga Zion. That's 9. I've only 99 set. Yes. And the set, and Erika, the set of 94. They are also college from Okoba. Agro Red 1,000 naira. There, just sir. Yes, I Anabata, our in-law from North in Enugu State. Mrs. Rebecca offer 1,000 naira. Hi, Chief. Okay, go ahead. Yes, him and I for market. For Patrick. Big Candy and Adian. Alina Nabata High Chief Trick Okonkwo and his entourage from Northia. I know you know. Have on the Ogo Chukoma, the Itanos of Chukoma, and dog guy. None.
maka na ndị Igbo si na a na-ezu anụ nwaanyị mana olu n'abalị amala anya nwere ekene m ụlọ
Amandianaeze Peter Oha, J5,000 Apapa. Thank you.
Ukana, I can hear I am in Ghana. I think I've been alone. Or even alone. Mona Mandi be so close. One of FCT for travel. If you got travel, me and I catch almost every night. Go with the West Idea with my friends at Jota and the other side. So to my dad, what's the other thing? You may not know any make of it.
No. I ain't can do it. You should box the wine. Yeah, I never I am. I want to know. I know your balloon. And all my men. I open the death in the don't know. None. I ain't can do it. That's a cheaper. That's a cheaper.
All right. So this is an day to one.
Abo open to prevent to at the other work. Okay. I am very mad. But I'm mad now. Number one, my good friend, this your comfort. Through whom you are my love. Okay. So because you tell them. At the same time, then the boss who because this money here.
Those women are getting no.
Hello. I put a bag of rice, 2 bags of semo, 2 cartons of Heineken, a carton of wine, 3 cartons of malt, 2 cartons of canned water, a carton of a pack of Pepsi, and 3 big tubers of beer.
Aina Nabata is on the bear and is a Nikenge. You are welcome, Amandianaeze.
Anyị na-anabata ndị be Ambrose Aninze. Anyị na-asị unu nnọọ. Yes.
Anyị na-anabata ọmụmị Lolo Biden Ukana. Lolo, you're welcome.
Anyị ekwugo na ihe ọ bụla iji abịa akwamozu a iweli edebe ebe a. Ndị MCs nọ. I go one in and he the Chief Honorable also Uche Ozougwu, Speaker Enugu State House of Assembly. You are welcome. Thank you, sir. And you can the most learned community in Enugu State, the Bundimbo. Could be that academia, professorship. I am seeing the Banya family, and Dogani, yes, and Dogani. I am going to microphone, get up the mask. I'm telling you through the mask. What are you? Sorry, I didn't know.
So I like the chance now man that I like it.
Yes. Ebe ọ bụ na anyị akpọghị ịkpa, ihe otu na-abụ na akwamozu ebidogo kpọmkwem.
Akwamozu ebidogo. Anyị na-alụbata the chairman of Ukana. Consulting to the Enugu. It is chairman Hassan Mado. Hassan Mado on his own. Hassan Benya Hassan Mado. She can the handle of Poncha. Sorry. Hassan Olavu. Take care. Hassan Olavu 5,000 naira. How do you know about Zugwan? It's not uniform. It's not uniform. I'm going to talk about here. So the children. Their mother, Mama, lived over 150 years.
And you know, another Mrs. Teresa Ofia and family.
Another people know that. People know that. No, that's the company level. People know that. 5,000. Because really, the park of Papa, I'm a man from Elbe. So, okay. It's a good man.
I'm a little bit of I'm American and no Deltana. I'm a good owner.
This is Teresa Ofia and the family.
Yes.
This is Teresa Ofia and the family. That guy. So, I know soon the dead general and why member. I will draw the patrol. I'm going to go to the hard.
And you know about the son and lady Sonny Ibanugo.
Sonny Ibanugo.
I know soon I'm not.
I know soon you are welcome. Sonny Ibanugo. Sonny Ibanugo. Sonny Ibanugo and the wife.
Adamahati,
envelope of
people can open their thought there.
Sonny Ibanugo and the family 10,000 naira. Thank you. I know now saying go and I should help you. Whether you wear, you should call it for a package. That's you will enter a time of nonsense.
Oh, when you say what do?
But
never got to go there. The very better. Come on, but I couldn't cut upon now. I said, what about the academic? I will go out. What can I say? I will go out.
Oh, that's putting in here on our okay. When you don't sell one quantity. Yes. But then look at you on our area. You know that it has been and the president. Family.
How will I not the John and the president?
How will the balls and the president? Yes. He could have been the balls. So, I don't know. How far you